Welcome to DevOps Assignment 2. So I'm going to start with load balancing. So I have set up 3 windows and I have SSH'd into 3 of my auto-scaled instances here. So on my right hand side here I have my load balancer for my website, and I have put it to /ID HTML, which I have put in metadata on the creation of the AMI. So here I have, if I refresh here, one of the windows on the left, which is this one here, has been updated. If I do it again, this one is that instance there, and this one is the middle one. So that is showing the difference between the instances in the web browser. Moving on, I have also created a second load balancer just here, and on this load balancer I have put my website that I created in web development. So this load balancer will have the database from the private instance and the website from the public instance working together. So if I go to new window here and I press this here, this should look, nope, that's the wrong one. Sorry about that. So it should be load balancer is the right one. So if I put this in here, this should load my website. Perfect. So if I sign in here, so I can make up anything random, a at gmail.com. Okay, and if I submit here, and we will sign in. Okay, and if I put secret in here, that's my password, and submit. Okay, so as you can see, this has logged into my database and it has registered that I have signed up as A and A. So if I say hello, it adds it here. So if I log out and I also exit out of here and come back in here and copy this over, hopefully this website will have a bit of persistence. Okay, so if I log in, a@gmail.com, and putting the password it's created, there is my hello that I created on that particular load balancer. And as you can see, it has saved the A and the A that I signed up on. So moving on, so I have also go over here, set up CloudWatch alarms. So over here I have SSH'd into one of my instances. So I'm going to do that again on a different instance, on a different terminal. Bear with me a second. Okay, I'm going to SSH in here as well. Okay, so at the moment I'm going to run a while loop so that I can up the CPU usage, and here I'm going to keep an eye by using top to see what's happening here. So system I think is at 0.7, now it's gone back to 0. So hopefully if I go back into where my alarms are, something should be alarming. So my scaling in is currently alarming instead of my scaling out. So in my scaling in, I have set it that if it is below 30 in CPU usage, it will try to delete instances, and if it's above 70, we'll try to add instances. So I'm not sure what's happening at the moment in terms of the traffic, but we can see if anything has changed. So I think that has added an instance because I only had 2 autos. I'm hoping there is a third. Nope, there's one being initialized right there. So that is adding that instance with the auto scaling and needing to use the desired amount that's needed to what am I saying? It is just accommodating the usage it needs. So if I close out of here and close out of this one here, I'll close out of these as well, just because I don't need them anymore. But in terms of the load balancer here, I SSH onto the instance, I sudo sudo, and then I went into cd var log httpd. I did cat access log, and I also cat access log rec -v, and did a health check on the tail. But this is tail -f access log. So that will be showing the last 10 and the health check in there as well. And so I'm going to click out of that. Hopefully my instances will be trying to delete themselves now in a few minutes. Because I haven't got as much. Yeah, so that actually added one and it has taken one away. So that is just showing that my auto scaling is working. And thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask and I can run through. Thank you.